So this is that petechiae. It's showing up right here that I was talking about. Don't worry again about it, Jamie. It clears up within 72 to 96 hours. I need to give people a warning about the reaction that the spouse will give. Like if I have a guy in here and like I'm beating up his back like this because he's like a hard laborer, etc., etc. He'll have petechiae everywhere, right? And I have to tell him, be like, look, you're gonna go home tonight. You're gonna take your shirt off to shower or go to bed or whatever. Your wife's gonna see you and she's gonna freak out. Okay, you need to reassure her that this is normal.